Box. In this video, we're going to talk about the scarcest homebrew items on Craigslist, Facebook, and OfferUp. We're talking about striking gold. We're talking about the Zapdos and Mewtwo's of the homebrew world. We're talking about the 3 things I scour the internet for every single morning. Number 1, a mill. I only see these on Craigslist a couple times a year. You can get a 2-roller on Amazon for about 90 bucks, but if you see one on Craigslist, I'd offer 30. See if they bite, and if not, trickle up to 50 tops. Number 2, a nitrogen system. Nitrogen and CO2 are completely different systems. The tanks, the regulators, and the faucet are different. Brand new systems cost around $250 to $300, but if you can score one for $150 or under, you may just have a career in ticket scalping. Number 3, last and never least, the holy grail of homebrew products, the 10-gallon Corny Cake. I've never seen one used online, and I've only seen one in real life, and it was gorgeous. Brand new, they are $200, and you can get a 15-gallon Corny Cake for about $220, but I've never seen them used on Craigslist. But if I did, I'd try to score it for $100. If you ever score any of these items secondhand, be proud of yourself. You did better than me.